Hey, I'm Nate Savage, and welcome to Guitareo Point of View, where we ask you controversial questions, or at least very opinionated or subjective questions, just to get your opinion. Now, this one is going to strike a nerve with a lot of you, and I would suspect that not a lot of you will be able to give a straight answer one way or the other. There are two basic kind of general camps for blues guitar, tone, phrasing, feel, that kind of thing. And I'm not talking about like the founders of blues like Robert Johnson or Bessie Smith. I'm talking about modern blues guitar players. The first camp is B.B.King, or like the Gibson humbucker, more lyrical phrasing camp. And the second one is Stevie Ray Vaughan, you know, Strat, single coil, a little bit more fiery rock playing. Still very lyrical, but very different. Not only were the sounds and tools these two guitar players used very different, but their approach to playing was wildly different. B.B.King had that great vibrato with really lyrical phrasing, while Stevie Ray Vaughan was more fiery and could melt your face off with some of the best blues licks in the world. Either way, with both of these guys, you could say that the music was just in them and it had to come out, but it came out in very different ways. And to top things off, you have modern players like Joe Bonamassa who just blend the two camps together seamlessly. Personally, I don't think you can really compare these two guitar players, but they were two of the biggest influences on blues guitar players and guitar players in general. If I had to pick one that I could, just listen to for the rest of my life, or one that influenced me more, it would definitely be Stevie Ray Vaughan, just because I'm, into more rock stuff, and I grew up in Texas, in Austin. He's like a god there. But I don't know, man, B.B.King with his vibrato and phrasing, it's a tough call. So, which player has influenced you more? Which one do you like more? Or which one do you think has had a bigger influence on the guitar in general? Let me know in the comments below.